Are you looking for the best starter toolkits? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best starter toolkits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Cartman 148-piece tool set. This set came with everything we were looking for, with the exception of a level. In addition to nailing all but one of the basics, the Cartman kit comes with a nice bonus: 9 sockets designed to work with the kit's interchangeable screwdriver handle. The handles on the 2 dedicated screwdrivers, a slot head and a Phillips, were just as comfortable to hold as the interchangeable screwdriver. The grip on the Cartman hammer felt comfortable and, in use, the hammer made me feel that the force of each blow was being directed downward instead of vibrating up into my arm. Additionally, the small roll of electrical tape and a box full of nails and screws included in the kit allows you to start working right away, avoiding an extra trip to the store for supplies. The tool quality in this kit was slightly lower than that of the others tested for this guide. The needle nose pliers, for example, were sticky to open and the box cutter felt flimsy. However, considering that this kit can be found at almost half the price of the others in this roundup, the lower quality of tools, which are still highly functional, feels like a reasonable compromise. The price of the Cartman tends to fluctuate often, so keep an eye out as it can sometimes be had for as low as $25. The Apollo DT9408 is comparable to the Cartman in price but lacks a number of the tools that the Cartman comes with. This kit includes a 10-foot tape measure, an 8-ounce claw hammer, a set of 6-inch needle nose pliers, a selection of 5 wrenches, a bit driver and bit connector, a 9-piece socket set, a snap-off utility knife, 5 precision screwdrivers, 12 hex keys, a small roll of insulated tape, a box with screws and nails, and 30 screwdriver bits. Gets all of the basics right. Includes thoughtful extras. Number 2. Amazon Basics 65-piece Home Basic Repair Toolkit. The quality of the tools in the Amazon Basics kit was merely passable, with the exception of the tape measure. It was one of my favorite tested for this guide as it comes with an autolock. I was unimpressed with the thin handle on the pliers, which made them uncomfortable to use. Additionally, the bag fabric on the inside felt like tissue paper. Given its price, you'd be better served by our main or budget pick. The kit includes a tool bag with a carrying strap, a 16-piece Allen wrench set, a 13-ounce hammer, an autolocking 16-foot tape measure, a torpedo-level utility knife, 2 sets of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a slot head screwdriver, an interchangeable head screwdriver with a 30-piece bit set and a ratchet with 8 sockets. Most tools are of merely passable quality. Tape measure comes equipped with an autolock. Number 3. Workpro W009021, a 100-piece kitchen drawer home toolkit. This set from Workpro gives the impression that the designer intended it to be tucked away in a kitchen junk drawer and ignored until it's needed. The zippered case that comes with the kit uses elastics to tuck each tool away in a soft-sided case. Unfortunately, the tools are of poorer quality than the other Workpro set featured in this guide. The hammer is quite light. I needed more strikes to drive in a nail than I did with the Stanley kit's hammer. I also disliked that the kit's screwdriver had a handle with a flat bottom, making it hard to push down on and turn. This toolkit is contained in a tool bag and includes 2 sets of pliers, an adjustable wrench, an 8-ounce claw hammer, for precision screwdrivers, a 10-foot tape measure, 40 cable ties, a snap-off knife with 10 replacement blades, a torpedo level, an 8-piece set of hex keys, an interchangeable head screwdriver with 20 bits and 9 sockets. Small tool case makes it easy to store. Number 4. Apollo Tools 53-piece home repair tool set. On the plus side, the tools were very secure in this kit's case and included most of the must-haves we expect, with the exception of a box cutter, in an entry-level toolkit. While the screwdriver, level, and tape measure were all of average quality, which, given the DT9408's price, is impressive, the hammer was easily one of the worst tools we tested for this guide. During testing, the hammer tended to bounce rather than direct force downward into the nails I was attempting to drive. This toolkit contains 1 set of needle-nosed pliers, an adjustable wrench, an 8-ounce claw hammer, a digital voltage tester, a 12-foot tape measure, a torpedo level, 6 precision screwdrivers, an interchangeable head screwdriver with 20 bits, a set of 4 wrenches and a set of 16 hex keys. Voltage meter is a nice extra. Tools stayed secure in case. Number 5. Apollo Tools 53-piece household tool set. Starter toolkits that come in a container with space for additional tools you may buy down the road should get some sort of recognition. But not this kit. The Apollo DT9773's toolbox had very specific cutouts for tools it did not include. There was a space designed for a socket set in the lid. However, no socket set is included in this kit. I checked to see if this was a mistake. Perhaps the sockets were accidentally excluded when the kit was assembled by Apollo. Nope. The tools that are in this kit are identical to Apollo's DT9408's kit. The only difference between these two Apollo kits is the case that they ship in. This toolkit comes with a hard-sided plastic toolbox, one set of needle nose pliers, an adjustable wrench, an 8-ounce claw hammer, a digital voltage tester, a 12-foot tape measure, a torpedo level, 6 precision screwdrivers, an interchangeable head screwdriver with 20 bits, a set of 4 wrenches, and a set of 16 hex keys. Hard-sided toolbox provides additional space for tools, as needed.